Hey Chris, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your business pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. I tried looking at your website, but it says it's down right now. So we can go over some tips on some things that you can do whenever you have your website pulled back up. Whenever you do have that back up, something that you will want on your website, it's called keywords. So OKC Concrete is an example of a keyword. This is something that people are searching for every month. And the first thing that pops up whenever they search this, sometimes they have some ads here. But below those ads, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you'd want to have your Google business profile ranking above these here. And so the way to do that would be to have your Google business profile with more citations, photos, and reviews in these businesses here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because a lot of people won't go to this more businesses here. And if we scroll down, so this is where your website would be ranking. And so you want to be on the front page as high up as possible. A lot of the business will go in these top 3 here. So the rest of the 60 to 70% of the business goes into the organic listing. 90% of people will just stay on this first page, so it is important to be on the first page. But let's take a look at this number 1 ranking website, Bill's Custom Concrete. So whenever you have your website pulled back up, you want to make sure that you have these call to actions here throughout. That helps with converting people on your website to your customers. These forms as well. So this website, it looks like they did a pretty good job with content. You want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And the reason is because that Google has crawlers that are crawling 24/7, and they look through the content on the website. And they're looking for those keywords that we were searching in the Google for. The OKC Concrete's a good example. And on the back end of the Bill's Custom Concrete website, I have some ratings pulled up here that are pulled from the Google data. So UR and DR, this is the authority and trustworthiness of a site. So Bill's Custom Concrete has 37 and 10. And what makes up these ratings here are backlinks. He has 1.81K backlinks. And then that comes from 326 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. And so it's kind of like a shout out. Google is one big popularity contest. And so you want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. If you have poor quality, it will bring these numbers down. And so Bill's Custom Concrete has 689 keywords on the website. So this is where some of their traffic is coming from. They have these keywords on the site and their site is ranking. So concrete contractor, OKC, 300 people are searching for that every month. Concrete OKC, 250, 300, 250, 350, 300, 300, 150, 250. And so this list just keeps going. And so I'd recommend having that website pull back up, making sure you have enough content on the front page with keywords that you are wanting to rank for the services that you provide. And then make sure to add some good quality backlinks so that your website will start building power to outrank Bill's Custom Concrete. And then you also want your Google business profile ranking, so I'd add some citations there as well. And if you ever need any help with any of this, we'd be more than happy to help you. And thank you for your time.